All right, so in this stage of the process, you should already have your business manager created and everything already pretty much set up except for a page, which we're about to create inside of your business manager. So first thing is first, if you don't remember how to get to the business manager and you're on the profile, your profile, you click on menu, you can head over to pages right over here. You would go to your page, and from your page you would click Ad Center. From Ad Center, you click over here next to Tools, visit Ads Manager, and when you visit the Ads Manager, you're able to go ahead and on the left hand side right over here, click on All Tools, go to Business Settings, and from Business Settings, you'll be able to go and pick the Add Account under Business Accounts, in which case PLT1 is what I have added over here. So what you're going to do to create a page is you're going to go under Accounts right over here, click on Pages, and you're just going to click Add Page. All right, so we're going to add a page, create a new page, and we're going to do Cause or Community. So we're going to create a page under Cause and Community. Now for the page name, this is really important. You're not going to use keywords like health and like fitness or six-pack or lose weight, words that are claimy, right? Because those are trigger words inside of Facebook that will potentially get your account disabled, or your business manager banned, whatever it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of be crafty here, and we'll do something like Great Orange Coast, right? Great Orange Coast. That can be like a brand, for example. So you already know that I have galacoast.com. We also have, different sites that sound like a brand that could potentially be a brand for weight loss stuff. But again, it's not like loseweight.com or I want to lose weight fast.com or how to lose, you get the idea, right? So don't make it too obvious, but just make it something that could potentially seem as if it is belonging to a health and fitness type of conglomerate or brand. So I'm going to click Create Page, and it's going to go ahead and just create the page right over here and give it a few seconds, and it's going to just do its thing. And so we're in the page. Now, you see the people that are here? Just make sure that you're automatically assigned, of course, but when you drop down, make sure that you can also click View Earnings Insight just so you have access to everything, and click Save. So that's pretty simple in regards to access to the page. Now, let's say you want to edit this page, which is what you want to do. What we're going to do is we're going to click View Page on the top right-hand corner, and it's going to take us to our page right over here. Now, you don't need to connect your phone number, yada yada. You can click the X button and just click on Leave. So there's a few things that we want to do in order to set up this page correctly. We're going to want a header. We're going to want a picture over here. We're also going to want to create a username, and we're going to want to upload some photos. So let's handle all that now. So down below this video, there's going to be links to a website called Canva. And Canva will allow you to create images for the header. So I'm going to provide you a link. It's a share link that you can use to edit. So let's hop into that right now. All right, so right over here, you can see that this is an image that you can edit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this text, and you can do the same thing. You can edit the background if you want as well. How you would do that is you can actually, well, this is a template. You can actually, I think, click on the background, edit image, and I'm pretty sure you can, I don't really know exactly how to do this. I just use the same thing over and over again. But if we go to more, from Canva Photos, there we go. We can pretty much search really whatever we want, but I'm going to leave it as is, or I'm just going to type in mountains, and let's just say I want to use this, okay? So I'm going to use this image, I'm going to stretch it out, put it over here. You see where it says position? Just put backwards, backwards again, and make sure it's all the way backwards where everything shows. So again, you're going to have the exact link to this image. You don't need to edit the background image. You just need to edit the text over here. You can leave everything else static. So we're going to call this Great Orange Coast. So we're going to edit this, call it Great Orange Coast. And we're going to click Download. And what we're going to do is just click on Download. And it's going to obviously download. So let's see here. Okay, so it's just downloading. There we go. So we're going to go back to the page. We're going to click on edit and we're going to upload this image really quickly. So here we go. It's currently uploading the image. And so I'm just going to click save changes. Now, really quick, for the profile image, this is very important. What you're going to do is you're actually going to head over to google.com and you're going to just type in older woman smiling. And you're going to click on images. You're going to click on tools, usage rights, commercial and other licenses. So you can use these for your Facebook page, right? Now this is going to be important. You can grab any of these images and use on your particular profile picture for the page, because that's what converts better. That converts really, really well, just so you know. So I'm going to grab this particular picture and I'm just going to right click on it, save image as, and I'm going to save it so I can use it. So there we go. I have the image, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to upload the image. So I'm going to click here and it should let me, whoops, let me go back really quick. All right, let's click on the actual photo icon and click edit profile picture. And we're going to click upload photo and upload the photo that we just saved. So here's that photo, and we're going to go ahead and drag it so it is, it's better in frame of the circle. We're going to click save. We don't need to add a description, but it's going to save this image right here. Let it save. And then what we're going to do from here, next and final, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to add some images onto this page. So we're going to head over to Unsplash, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to go and look for, beautiful images, maybe even, animals, right? So let's just type in dogs. So we're going to do dogs, and let's get images. If we click on any orientation, go to landscape. Let's get images that are going to garner a lot of engagement. So let's grab this image, click on medium for the download size. So we're going to grab just 3 images. And let's also grab something scenic, right? Like maybe mountains, right? So mountains, again, landscape, we want it, or orientation, we want it landscape. And let's grab this right here. This looks really nice. Click free download, medium. So we have that image right here. All right, and last but not least, let's grab an image of, let's just say, a lion. And again, you could do whatever you want. Just understand that the images that we're going to be boosting on this post, ideally, we want them to be attractive enough to get a lot of engagement. The more engagement we get on our posts, obviously that's dependent on the picture, the better reputation our page has. So now that we have 3 images, what we can do is we can just click on photo or video and upload those 3 that we just downloaded. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And there we have it. We've gone ahead and we've uploaded these 3 images. Now, this is very important. You're going to wait 24 hours before you do anything. Don't boost the post yet. Don't do anything except just create the page, upload the image, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Literally, that's it. So tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create the ad account. But again, you want to do this very slowly. You don't want to do this immediately because Facebook's going to recognize that you are a more advanced user and not your typical run-of-the-mill average user who doesn't know what they're doing. Remember, we want to act like we don't know what we're doing. So we're going to wait 24 hours before we go back into our business manager and create an ad account. So we already created a page. That's fine. Just wait 24 hours, all right? 24 hours minimum before you do anything else. Every single massive thing you do inside of Business Manager, you have to give at least 24 hours. So that means once you create the Business Manager, wait 24 hours before you do anything. Once you create the page and add content to it, wait 24 hours before you do anything else. Once you create the ad account, wait 24 hours. Once you go ahead and proceed to boost the first post, great, wait 24 hours before you roll out another one. And again, we're going to walk you through the entire process, but this is all you have to do right now in order to go ahead and get started creating a page, taking it very slowly in your actual profile. It's going to work wonders, and I promise you right now, you're going to love the end result, but don't rush it, all right? So again, I will see you in the very next video.